Today, we're gonna play a normal game of Test! So hopefully we get like an EF5, maybe Big Wedge, El Reno Tornado. Get this guy out of here. And I'm sorry. Anyways, so I was getting the oh yeah! So I said this tree about over there. Let's spawn the. Our goal today is to get like at least one intercept. If we miss any intercepts, I'm actually gonna crash the fuck out. Oh, bro, I don't think I'm gonna make this, bro. It's right here. I'm gonna be like right here. That shit's already gonna be up here, so I'm probably just gonna take a turn up. So yeah. Holy shit! Y'all don't see that goddamn monster? God damn! Holy, bro. I'm not gonna make the goddamn intercept! Oh wait, I actually have a chance. Why did I stop? Okay. We're not gonna make the intercept! No! If it's alright. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna try a different game. By the way, guys, warning, I'm really bad at this game. Oh, yay, right as I join, the game starts. So, yay. Whoa, whoa, bop, bop. Bro, I feel like it's... Warning, there will be a lot of screaming, though. Oh, damn, fault. Fuck. Holy fuck, there's a little mini, bro. There's a fucking mini, bro. Oh my fucking... Never emo again. I'm just really disappointed in you, son. You really just got killed, bro. For that, I'm gonna punish you. Okay, we're gonna start this round, you know, so... Oh, I don't trust none of y'all! Why the hell are you... Alright. So, it's probably spawned maybe up there. The hell? Wait, is it in the movie theater? Is it in the movie theater? Yo, I'm so confused. I feel like it's in the movie theater. Oh, I feel like that girl has the knife, to be honest. It's her. I know it's her. I saw him. Hey, we should pull off a clip, don't you think? We should low-key pull off a Twix. I like Twix bars. Ooh, it's her. It's right there. Or boy, girl, I don't give! Where the hell is the gun, bro? Where the fuck did you go, bro? Ah! Okay. No, I don't trust that way. This is how you know that I sell. I'm kind of booty at this game. Oh my god, we need to go. Why are you going? Okay, so now we know the beach. Let's take this way. Or watch. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh my god, she's coming to me. How did I make that jump? Bro, how did I make that jump? Yo! Oh my gosh. Bro, there's more killing. There's like killing after killing, bro. What? Someone's gotta be on drugs, bro. Get it. So you told me you got the victory! What I got? Is that the thriller? Thriller night. Da, 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 da. I don't know the rest of this song. I got innocent. So I didn't get this on recording, but I got the gun and then she killed me. I believed in you. I believe in you. You know what? I'm gonna give you something. It's another fucking mini. You know, I'm gonna make sure you get killed. I'm gonna make sure you get killed. So it's the next round. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. I hope that mini gets killed. Oh hell no, it's not you, my bad boy. So it's over here. Who is it? Who's the kill? Oh, it's him. Oh, I thought it was him. I hope you furry dickhead gets killed, bro. Oh my god, you jump scared me. I'm not leaving this game in any video until I get that little mini shithead. Fucking. Fuck, I don't know the rest. Why the motherfucker when you quit? Alright, let's start the new match! Let's see what we get. Yo, I am begging. Oh my god, it's it! I knew it was it! Never mind. I'm gonna end this video. I hope that little shithead learns his lesson someday. But if you love this video, maybe you should subscribe and like this video and drop your usernames in this video. And I got you with the skincare. Just type your username. All you gotta do is All you gotta do is subscribe, like one of my videos, and that's pretty much all. Where do you put your usernames in the comments that I will give you a skin case, any skin case or bundle. See you guys.